In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to make professional adverts. We'll go through the process of using AI from start to finish, from researching what you need to creating a killer advert, all the way to finding a voiceover artist. It's as simple as that. We are in scary times, I tell you. AI is taking over. Artificial intelligence is the new oil. Alright, without wasting your time, we'll need two softwares and a preferred video editor. Now, to make it simple, I'll just scrub through it because nobody has time any longer nowadays, right? So you just want to get the information and move on. So I'll make this video as fast as possible. You need a software called rytr.me. that is write.me. That's what we use to get our script. The second software you need, you can Well-Said Labs. Now we can get a lot of softwares now that will translate text to speech and you get a good voiceover, but Well-Said Labs seems to be the best you can find at the moment. I don't know if you get anyone better, please let me know. Then to get your script too, there are a lot of options online that can help you write scripts for blogs, for captions, for whatever it is, copywriting. I mean, in years to come, I don't know if we'll still have jobs available for some category of people, right? And that's why you hear people telling you that you should try and take a course, at least a course in analytics, in data engineering, in data science and things like that, because at the end of the day, these are jobs that aid the AI itself. Like, the AI itself is created by a human, right? So I think that at the end of the day, somebody will still be at the back end, right, controlling the AI that is taking over the jobs from other people. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know, I'm just saying. All right, so we have our softwares, right? RITY, you register, I'm not a robot, all those things, blah 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 blah, your email, right? And then you land on the main page where the job will get done. You put in your language, your tone, convincing, video description, the title, depending on what you want to do, and then just click on write, and you have options there for you. You edit the options, try and put some commas, some full stops, remove some things, just minor changes, like very minor changes, and there it is. You have your script, right? Very easy to use. Go through it. I'm sure you get it in the first try. Very easy to use. Now let's go to our Well-Said Labs. Same thing as well. Drop in your script, the one you got from write.me. Drop it in Well-Said Labs after registering and all those things, right? These things are not free, but I think for a while you can enjoy it, and if you have the money, you can subscribe. I highly recommend to subscribe because this is something I've never seen before. This is new, right? And everybody's going crazy over it online right now. So you do the registrations, you drop your scripts, you have different voices. As in this, I do not even explain it. This is mad. Like, how did they do this? Because I remember for a long time you have to go on maybe Fiverr, Upwork, or look for voiceover artists. You pay them $100, $200, like that for voiceover. But now this is real. Like, you probably can't tell the difference between this AI generated voiceover and the real deal. I think you can get it. So let's try out some options, right? And it depends on what you want. You can listen to them and just choose the one that goes with what you need it for.
The future of analytics is now. How do you stay ahead of the latest trends in analytics? Peerview is a company that powers the success of the next generation of data and analytics specialists. Peerview's goal is simple: to help its clients build analytics-driven organizations and to understand the future of data and analytics. Get in touch with us today and start a highly rewarding career in tech.
The future of analytics is now. How do you stay ahead of the latest trends in analytics? Peerview is a company that powers the success of the next generation of data and analytics specialists. PeerView's goal is simple: to help its clients build analytics-driven organizations and to understand the future of data and analytics. Get in touch with us today and start a highly rewarding career in tech.
So if you're enjoying this, please like, subscribe. That would be highly, highly appreciated. All right, let's move on.
Beauty in your hands. We offer a wide range of services to make sure that you're always looking your best. From hair styling to coloring and hair revamps, we're confident that you'll find what you're looking for at Marin Hairline. Don't wait, come see us today.
The future of analytics is now. How do you stay ahead of the latest trends in analytics? PeerView is a company that powers the success of the next generation of data and analytics specialists. PeerView's goal is simple: to help its clients build analytics-driven organizations and to understand the future of data and analytics. Get in touch with us today and start a highly rewarding career in tech.
I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That will be highly appreciated. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.